And welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of natural gas can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, it is moving in this particular zone for quite some time. Okay, and the zone high is around $2.554. Okay, and there is another high after that is $3. Okay, and this level we have not seen since first week of March of 2023. You have to keep that in mind. Once started falling below, this is the zone. Okay, so once this zone breaks downside, then chance of going further low will be there. But if it goes above a level of 2.5, then chances of going further upside is there. Or if this level sustain, it can cross that particular zone and can go further high. Okay, this is the first thing that you have to understand. Second thing, you have to understand that there is a pattern forming, which I am keep repeating in my every videos, that there is a pattern forming in natural gas. Okay, and this you have to understand and listen. See, whenever it is hitting its previous high, a sharp fall is coming. So whenever, if the price comes close to this particular high, you have to remember it will go upside, and then a probability that after touching a new high, it can come down. As you can see looking at this chart, a swing form, that is where it go upside. A swing form, that is where it tries to go upside. Okay, now before we move on and explain you where the price of natural gas can go in the next 2 days, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. See, now it is coming in this particular zone and about to touch its particular high of 2.5. As it is 2.5 is already a weak resistance, so chances are high that it can go further upside. Suppose if the price sustain this level, so chances are high it can go towards a level of $2.508, which is already a weak resistance. So chances of touching 2.610 is there, and if that level sustain, then we can see it can go further upside, and a probability of touching 2.670 is there. Once it sustain this level, chances of touching 2.710 is there, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $2.811. Okay, and if the price sustain above $2.810, then we can see a level of $2.876, and from there we can see a level of $3.045. Okay, see, look at this particular price. Once it sustain this level, chances of touching 3.045 is there, and from there we can see it can go further upside, and chances of going towards a level of around 3.242 is there, and from there we can see a level of $3.317. Okay, understand, once the price sustain above $3, chances of touching 3.2 is there, and from there we can see a level of $3.317. Okay, and this is the level. Once it goes above this high, we can see it can go further upside. Okay, now you have to understand something. See, from 4 days we have seen the natural gas prices continuously moving inside, and chances are high, yes, it can go further upside also, because overall trend is high. But the market will, see, if market has to move upside, it will not move sharp or sharp fall till the time no big event is happening. Okay, and big event, if it has to move normally, how it moves, hold for some time, it breakout happens, that's how it moves. In the same way it will come down. Okay, so now it is in this zone. As you can see, this is how these is a less of volatility. You can see more of volatility is in this particular zone. You can say this is the zone where more of volatility is there. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, what you can see, if the price didn't sustain, it can go towards its next support of $2.45. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular zone, then we can see it can go towards a level of $2.43. Suppose if the price fall below this particular zone, chances of going further down will be there, and then we can see a level of $2.336. Suppose if the price fall below this particular zone, then we can see it can go towards a level of $2.36 to a level of 2.184. Okay, and suppose if the price fall below this particular zone, chances of going further low will be there and can cross a level of $2.145. $2.145 is already a weak support, so chances are very high it can move further down towards a level of $2.061. This $2.061 is already a weak support on the down of this particular zone, so chances are very high once it started falling below this particular level, it can go towards a level of $1.94 to a level of 1.884. Okay, and if the price fall below this particular level of $1.884, then we can see a level of $1.776, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of $1.650. Okay, and if that price fall below this level, then yes, a probability of going further down will be there, and chances of touching 1.54 is there, 1.560 is there, and that is already a weak support, so chances are very high it can go further low. So you have to keep that in mind. If the price fall below $2, then only we can see it can go further low. Otherwise, a probability is that it will sustain in this particular zone only of $3 or $2. Okay, I teach workshop also where I teach fundamental and technicals and when to trade, when not to trade. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timings. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel,